Hello everyone, this is Shan featuring some birds in the background, and the town is waking up, so maybe some vehicles on the road. Yeah, I'm recording it in the morning when everything's about to start, which is a weird time to record a podcast because although I'm a morning person, I can't deny the fact that your deepest thoughts come to you in the night, preferably 3 a.m. th- which is what this podcast is about, liminal spaces and 3 a.m. and also my thoughts on 11:11. The thing is, I had something else planned for this podcast. I was thinking of calling over my friend. She's a literature major, so we can have a more analytical discussion over why this genre is so misunderstood or what this genre really offers. But she got busy, even my schedule kind of got messed up. But I feel it's okay as I'm leaving for my college soon. So and she's from the city my college is in, and right now we were planning to just text and decide everything on call and then record the podcast through the call, which is a lot of work. So I feel that whole point that we will just meet in person and do it more appealing. But then again, the whole point is that I had that thing planned. I had no backup plan with me. That's why I'm recording a podcast in the morning at Friday when I should be done by it by Wednesday or Thursday. So I had no topic in my mind. I was just sitting there last night, unable to sleep because I decided to take a nap. And then I think it was uh, late. I think it was 4 a.m. And I get up, I go out, and I just look out the window, and my mind starts turning and thinking about liminal spaces. And I was like, wait, should I record a podcast on liminal spaces? The thing is, I wouldn't take the credit of getting the idea on my own. One of my friends suggested it to me that, hey, have you ever made a podcast on 3 a.m.? And I was like, no, never. But my mind was not really taking it as seriously. I was like, what can I talk about 3 a.m.? Like, what's like I love 3 a.m. You guys already know that, but what can I really talk about it on a podcast? But when I was standing there at the window at 4 a.m. thinking about how my entire sleepless night went, I just realized there's so much to talk about 3 a.m. But let's start the whole point with 11:11 is overrated. Yes, I went there. I feel 11:11 is the time where you wish. Maybe the wishes are sad. Maybe the wishes are like I wish I can see that person again. But they are still hopeful. They are still like you're waiting for that 1 minute to make a wish, a hopeful wish that may or may not come true. But 3 a.m. is where you regret things, where you long for things, where you miss things. 11:11 is where you will wish to meet that person. 3 a.m. is when you will regret all your actions that made that person leave. 11:11 is the moment where you are like, I wish we could be together again. 3 a.m. is when you will look through down your memory lane and maybe even find out that person was an asshole. So I feel, what do you wanna love? A time where you wish for things, where you are hopelessly hopeful, or a time where you look back the memory lane, you try to understand yourself, you try to know why that person left, where you regret things, and maybe the regret won't let you do those things again. But I feel human humans have this weird tendency to make things up just so we can wish. And I don't know if if that's beautiful or is that sad that we feel that we need an 1111 or blowing up a feather or blowing up the candles on a cake to make a wish come true, and not just sitting there peacefully thinking about your life and then taking action. I'm not saying don't wish. I love 1111. I love just sitting there at the night waiting for the clock go to this perfect position so I can close my eyes and just wish for whatever I'm thinking at that point. Sometimes it's just a pastry. I'm not even kidding. I'm a 20-year-old who sometimes sits awake till 11:11 just so he can ask for a pastry, and then goes and buys it tomorrow anyways. Because I just feel that 11:11 is a time where I don't feel we should be insecure or we should be hopelessly hopeful, but where we should find the beauty in things that I can wish for something right now, and maybe it won't come true, but at least I know what I want. But now that I've said why sometimes I feel 11:11 is overrated and why it's not my as favorite as 3 a.m. I would like to talk about why 3 a.m. is such a liminal space for me. For those who don't know what a liminal space is, I mean, if you look at the origin of the world, there's like something really different. Wikipedia has a lot of explanation on it, but in this context, at least what I associate liminal spaces is a familiar, nostalgic, or a space where just the concept of time doesn't exist. When it's 3 a.m. at night, I feel like it's too late to sleep, but too early to get out of the bed and do something. So you're just lying in the bed, thinking about all the things you didn't do or do, longing for someone who has left you, or maybe just thinking about that one beautiful, beautiful person you met in the college and fell in love with. That is the time where you just look around your dark room and hopefully the windows open so you can see the moon and think like maybe the world is actually really beautiful when no one's talking over you or making you insecure, or when the world is standstill, everyone's sleeping, and maybe you are the only one up at night. Maybe it's not true. Considering how many insomniac night owls my friends are, maybe they are also up somewhere far away. But at this moment, for me, I'm the only one alive. I'm the only one awake. I'm the only one looking out the window to the moon and saying it's beautiful. Maybe I'm not the only one person doing that, but for me, I am, and that's what makes it a liminal space for me. And sometimes I feel like our whole town is a liminal space in a sense that just days moves on here, not time. The person gets up in the morning, they go for when I wake up, even now I'm looking out the window and seeing things are happening in repeat. The garbage disposal cart with the shitty catchy music for some reason comes in, takes the same people with the same bags come out, throw the garbage and then go in, maybe freshen up or don't. I'm not sure. When I went to hostel, I realized that people don't bath every day for some reason. I shouldn't say for some reason. I have my own experiences of not. Wait, that's such a gross thing to confess. But I do bath regularly. People, it's just rare occasions. And when I'm at home, please like shower or something before you go to college. Why? Like that just weird that some people don't. But yeah, so they freshen up, they leave, they they leave at the same time, they come back at the same time, and the cycle continues. And it when I'm here, it just feels like the time is still. I'm here for 2 years, guys. The lockdown is going for 2 years, and I never felt like the 2 years has passed. Not in a good way, not in a bad way, not in a कुछ होता नहीं है. I mean that's also a point. कुछ होता नहीं है is also a point, but not exactly that. Cause of that, this whole town just feels like a big liminal space, full of nostalgia, full of all these things that make you feel like time stands still here. And maybe it's just cause now I'm a 20-year-old who has been out of here and now knows how fast the world moves, and when I come here the time suddenly slows down, like theory of relativity or something. And now this place is suddenly a liminal space for me when it wasn't ever before. But it still is for me. Even if it wasn't before, it is now, and it's. I don't know if it's. I don't know how to describe that feeling. I wouldn't call it boring. Maybe the right word is scary. Maybe the right word is frightening. Liminal space are my favorite places in the world. Like school when classes is ended, abandoned place, and playground at night. The the time is still. There are no consequences. You can jump off the ceiling and you will be alive, and it's just peaceful. But when I think of my town as a liminal space, it's just scary. It's like I live in this place. This is where I've grown up. Is this really a place where time stands still and there are no consequences to my action? Is this really a space where I will go out on the road at 3 a.m. and murder someone and nothing will happen? Just a scary thought to really think on. And maybe I can talk more about it. About the whole liminal space, 3 a.m. and 11:11. But I feel these all thoughts will essentially just revolve around these things that I've already mentioned here. So, for now, let's end it here. Let's talk more about it in the comments or in the Discord server. What are your thoughts on 3 a.m., 11:11, and all liminal spaces? Just these concepts of places where you just feel like time is standing still, there are no consequences, and what you will do if these places actually had no consequences. I also had a Q&A in the Spotify section actually. I got no answers for the last question and just one for the previous ones. So I would love if you guys respond to those questions. I really think of them. So yeah, join our Discord server, subscribe the YouTube channel, hit the bell icon. I hope you enjoyed the podcast. Bye.